All right, look at what has arrived. We have the Sanremo YOU. This was sent by Voltage Coffee Supply, so definitely want to thank them. We're just gonna set this guy up, open it up, very off the cuff, informal video review. Maybe, we'll see. But yeah, it shows up on this big pallet. They basically drop it off and you gotta figure out how to move this thing in. Excited to actually have a machine that can steam, unlike the Decent. I guess the Decent can steam, but this is a beast of a machine. So, all right, we gotta figure out how to open this guy up, and we'll probably set it up somewhere on this, the table that everyone always sees. This is where all the magic happens. I'm trying to reorganize stuff, got all these grinders and random things here. So it's on the pallet. I think we'll need to probably cut these steel straps.
Dude, that vibrates so much. It's like a guitar.
It's a guitar. All right, let's crack this guy open. We're sick. There's like a crash thing. Like, what does this do?
Impact reading, I don't know. It triggers.
Inspect if red. We're gonna get this off the pallet now. Some more little Sanremo straps that we can kind of just tear off, apparently, like that. It's hard to do this with one hand. All right.
Oh, there's a metal staple.
That. Yeah. There we go. You. And there it is. Very pretty.
White.
It's white. Wait, what's in it? Let's open it. Oh, nice. All these accessories. Think about it. Okay.
What is that?
Is that a
shirt?
T-shirt? No, that's a towel.
Does it? No.
Okay, cool. All right. Okay, well, let's get this guy set up and see what happens. What do you mean it's cringe?
No. It'd be a cringe if it was a beanie.
Oh. All right. I don't think there's anything there. Just packaging. Got it out there. Yeah, we got this just to get the pallet. All right. Totally the right place to do an unboxing or unveiling. It's on the floor.
It's heavy.
Dude, it's heavy. What does it say?
You know what would be really
Got some instructions.
I feel like this could have been like a carbon fiber panel. It would have looked really race car.
I think you can customize this.
They should. Be Lambo like.
Oh, yeah, Lambo. This is a Italian machine, I think.
Italian.
All right. Let's try to put this on top instead of down on the floor with these guys. Let's put it up top.
Should do a scene where it's like teleportation.
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 It's on the table. This thing's actually kind of big. So far, you know, it's that commercial feeling. Paint feels really nice. Steam one feels really nice. Everything feels pretty good. Let's actually plug it in, and it's time to peel off all this junk here.
Be easier to...
Yeah, let's take this off. Like, it's got like, yeah, let's take that guy off, and then let's just peel this stuff away. Yeah, it's powder coated. So that's like the white. It's like pretty nice, actually. All right, I'm gonna put the camera away so I can actually peel this off. Dude, is this gonna make good audio? Let's find out. Oh wait, this is not aesthetic. Very cool. Okay, we got this one too. Take this one off. Very cool.
I want to get the mic.
Just peeling it off. ASMR, man.
This is actually kind of hard to peel off because it requires you to lift the machine to peel it off. Where does it start?
Unboxing experience.
Terrible.
I mean, this is... All right. There we go. set it up on this like left corner. Let's plug this guy in and see if it works. I hope it works. I'll be very sad if it doesn't work. Boot it up, and I, need to add some water in here, I would assume. All right, pour some water in there.
Did it just turn on by itself?
I think so. No, it says fill water tank. Okay, that's what we did. Hot water. What is happening here? How do I turn this guy off?
I think putting water in triggered it, didn't it?
No, I don't know.
Fixing screws. Lift drip tray and fix it to the previously removed screws.
Oh.
Nice.
Nice. Oh, wow, it's already heating up. I'm gonna add maybe a little bit more water in here. Poured some water into the machine. It's just heating up now. This part is for this, so this is we already kind of screwed it in there. So fixed it in, and then the drip tray just sticks into here somehow. I don't know what I'm doing. You stick go out, and you like slide that guy in. There we go. There's some of the other accessories. Let's finally get to this and pull a shot. So our drain stuff for plumbing in. Looks like just a standard bar mat. No bottomless portafilter. We got a cute little steaming milk pitcher, group head cleaner. What is this thing? A Sanremo tamper that looks kind of bad. We're not going to use that. These baskets, which real Italian, like, wow, that is very questionable. Some standard portafilter stuff. Cool, so those are the accessories. I'm gonna pop in a really good basket into here. Portafilter feels nice, and let's pull a shot. Okay, open the water supply tap upstream of the machine. Power on, okay. Okay, I feel like some of these are bad translations. Supposed to open the water tap for the very, very first boot up. It is forbidden to connect cables longer than 118 inches to the USB port. That's so specific. All right, so it just took some time, but now we're getting water through the group. That is pretty cool. It looks like we can do about, 9-10 mils a second. It's quiet, and yeah, wow, pretty cool. I think our steam boiler is still not heating up yet, so we'll probably need to just give that some time. As we see, it's still loading. There's a loading screen here. Takes a while. This is a big machine. So give this a few more minutes and let's see what happens. I think I'm just too used to how fast the Decent is and how fast, Flare 58 and heating up kettles are, but I think we just, we did the normal standard procedure of starting this up. We just straight up need to wait, and I'm just impatient. But yeah, the hot water is able to dispense. The group is now getting filled, so we're getting water there. And yeah, it's looking good. Look at that. It's pretty. It looks super dope. So heat up time on this machine is actually quite fast. It's probably been, 5-10 minutes. So now the steam boiler, second boiler is heating up. But man, look at this. This is kind of dope. Look at these lights. This is so sick. These lights here, I really like the color, especially with the white. Totally stands out, and this room is not fully lit, but this looks super dope. But yeah, we're looking through the manual. I love these instructions. It's like absolutes. It's like it needs to be this way, but then they're like, nah, wait, actually that's not the case. Yeah, it's like you gotta make sure your coffee has hazelnut color cream and consistency and crema that lasts more than a minute. But yeah, I think there's definitely fun stuff when they do that English translation. But yeah, now it's going here. Everything works so far. Let's see if the steam works finally, because now the steam boiler is getting up there and that's the power. Wow. That's amazing. So this is the power I never actually got with the Decent, but look at that. You can just touch it, no problem. That's sick. All right, let's try pulling a shot, and you know, this is already up to temperature. I have no idea how this is gonna go. Top is getting pretty warm, so we're like maybe some cup holder stuff, but so far, man, this is a nice machine. I got the Wafo Spirit in. Let's see if it works. I actually don't know what direction this locks in fully. Should have done my research, but okay. Left to right, yeah, it's pretty tight because it's probably the first time that this has had a portafilter locked into it. I'm actually kind of curious if the Decent portafilter locks in as well. Decent portafilter locks in nice. We'll try to pull a shot with a Wafo Classic in and see what happens. The hooks work nicely with the Flat Max, so you know it's on there. It's looking good. Let's pull a shot. I'm using some Say coffee. This is a Colombian Churroso coffee, and we'll see how this guy goes. But this guy's set really fine. I'm pretty sure this machine's not going to require the same fineness as the Flair 58 is requiring, but we're gonna go finer just so we have some room for error. All right, set this guy up, or let's see what our clearance is like. I'm too lazy to take the Akaya out of the Decent suitcase. Also, I just touched that. That's hot. I'm trying to get a little bit of leverage there. Okay, that's pretty locked in. But yeah, Decent is on the floor as usual. Let's see if it will fit. Actually, I need to get a bigger cup. This cup's too small. All right, we've upgraded to the bigger cup. I guess this will have a timer, so let's just tear this guy out. And I'm gonna just go for it. So let's see how this goes. May or may not be terrible, but I would assume I can fast fill at the very beginning. So I'm gonna fill, and I'm gonna go slow. And then I want to run that. That is some crema right there. And I'm gonna ramp this down. Okay, I want to pull about, 35, 36. So that's pretty cool. So that was a 24-second long shot. Been messing around with this. I need to read the manual. I have to go look at, actually David from Voltage Coffee did a video on this. So I gotta go look at this and read the instructions and stuff. But so far, the experience of using the machine is pretty good. I just need to figure out like what all these different buttons do, as well as how do we, get into programming some of these profiles a little bit more granularly, and also, viewing some of the shots that we did and all of that. So far, UI quite responsive. The coffee we pulled, it's probably gonna taste fine. Tastes perfectly fine because ground on the max, brewed pretty standard, fast fill, and then slower ramp, like kind of hard to mess up. I'm not tasting any errors with the brewing method off of this initial go. Like, this is a fantastic espresso, represents the coffee well. And the thing that I want to mention is I only put one shot, but that was fun. That was super fun to do that. But yeah, we're gonna check this machine out a lot more as time goes on. We're gonna do like a formal review. This is just kind of like, here's the machine. I just opened it up. I put it on the table. What is that experience like? So far, pretty fun, pretty good machine at the start. It works. It's fast. I've never had a machine this fast before. But yeah, all right. I've said a lot. I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching.